हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अब हम यहाँ पे स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं फाइंड फूरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन f of x 1 and 0 where the function is 1 in the interval 0 to a and the function is 0 otherwise. It means other than this interval the function is 0. Now we'll understand this by real line. So this is the 0th position, 0 to a, the function is 1 in this interval. Now in this interval only the function is 1. Other than this function is 0, function is 0. And these are our limits from minus infinity to infinity. So this function f of x is defined like this. From minus infinity to infinity, there are three breaks. First, minus infinity to 0, function is 0. A to infinity, function is 0. Only in the interval 0 to a, the function is 1. They have defined. Now Fourier transform formula यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा है. So this formula will use here to find out Fourier transform. Now, if the function is either even or odd, then we can use Fourier cosine transform and sine transform. For even function, we'll use Fourier cosine. For odd function, we'll use Fourier sine transform. Now this function is neither even nor odd function. We can check the function is even or odd only for the interval minus L to L. So for this interval only we can verify the function is even or odd. Now we have to find out Fourier transform of this function. So we'll write down formula Fourier transform. Limits from minus infinity to infinity, f of x e raised to I omega x dx. I am using here omega as an operator. You can check. You can use lambda also. I use here omega. Now this integration is divided in three parts. I am not putting here that actually the content of that integration. तो ये integration minus infinity to infinity three parts में. First part, second and third. So it complete minus infinity to infinity. Now in this the function is 0, the function is 0. So only we have to discuss the second integral part. So I will write down only that part, 0 to a. The function is 1 e raised to minus I omega x dx, which is equals to integration of this so this is our integration. So exponential का integration as it is, power का derivative with respect to x, so it is minus I omega, so that I have written here. Now this bracket is constant, so we'll put outside, which is equals to substitute here upper limit for x equal to a, so we have e raised to minus I a omega minus lower limit ka e raised to 0 value it is 1, so we have this is the expression, or we'll write down this inside the bracket और ये minus में यहाँ पे multiply कर देता हूँ, so it become 1 minus so this is the answer. ये जो माइनस साइन था ये मैंने यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो ये 1 पहले लिखा है और ये मैंने सेकेंड इसमें लिखा है, एंड द आई ओमेगा इन द डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट. सो दिस कंप्लीट द फूरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन f of x. Thank you.